Hi everyone, today we have another mailbox. Let's unbox this package. Let's see what we have today. Okay, first of all we have this Casio TV and we have another DSi XL and a bunch of cartridges. Okay, it's not turning on. I will bring my batteries and some chargers to see if it's working or not, and to see if we have some cracked screen to add to our cracked collection. Let's see. Okay, we have DSi XL battery. Let's insert and power on. Okay, we have a working LCDs, but we have some yellowed LCD on the bottom. Okay, the camera is working, so it's a great news. Okay, let's take a look at this DS Lite. Okay, I will use this charger to see if it's charging or not. As you see here, it's charging but it's not turning on, so I will try another battery from a working device. Okay, I will use this Phillips screw. Let's undo this Phillips screw. Okay, the battery is looking good, but I don't know why it's not charging. I will bring another brand new one. Let's try this battery. And it's working, but we have another yellow screen, as you see here. It's a little bit yellowed on the top, but it's okay. Yeah, as you see here, ILOD LCD for sure. Okay, I will continue looking at the other devices. This is a Donkey Kong 2 Game & Watch, and unfortunately we have another cracked screen on the bottom, unfortunately. Okay, the next one is this Game Boy Advance. I will put this AA batteries and it's working, but we have a burned polarizer, need to be replaced. The next one is this Game Boy Color. Okay, as you see here, we have no signs of life. It's not working and we have no LED for the power. Okay, I tried to as you see here, I am trying to turn it on and turn it back to off position, but we have no signs of life. But what about this Casio TV? Okay, we can power it on using 4 AA batteries. Let's check if it's working or not. Okay, no signs of life as well. I think the battery terminals are corroded, so I will try to use another adapter for this one to bypass the battery terminals. I will leave this Casio TV for a future video. We will test it to see if it's working with a AC to DC power adapter or not. And if it's not working, we will try to fix it. Okay, for now I will leave this TV for a future video. Thank you for watching and see you all